What's going on, everybody? So today's video, sorry the wind is a little bad, I'm gonna come and go inside. I am gonna show a video on updating the existing light switch setups that you have on your Sunraider or any other RV. Probably look like something like this, or well, like that. And why I say it looks like that is because a majority of these old ones, this one's from 1984, the plastic has become brittle on the light setup and just kind of, well, oh boy. As you can see, this one has seen much better days. So I could not find the replacement plastic for this. I looked everywhere. And so I didn't like the looks of this anymore. And that's where I have come up with the solution for an update. So these guys right here come in a set of, this one is a set of 5, okay? And it's ridiculously easy to install, and it is a night and day difference between the original. And I had already upgraded these to LED, but like, I don't know. I'm even at these bulbs, yes, they're LED, and there's a big difference between incandescent, but in comparison to, I had just mounted, this is the new one, night and day difference as far as the output. So this one can actually write more and talk less. And yeah, so it's great. Mounted right up, it's 4 screws, it's super easy. I'm gonna update this one as well. I'm gonna update that one as well. And if you're asking, well, it's electrical, I hate doing electrical, it's very hard. It is not hard at all. You literally have a positive and a negative wire, and being LED, you're not going to blow it out if you connect it wrong or any of that. They're very forgiving. So this, all in all, to do that and that and that will maybe take me 45 minutes. And this whole setup, I got this from Amazon for 40 some bucks. Like I said, it's the LED porch exterior and light fixture by Kori. And it's off Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description. It's already built in. The only negative about these is that these are built in, the LED outputs are actually built into the housing themselves. But I've yet to have, these are from my old RV, and we're talking 5-6 years, and LEDs just don't burn out. So honestly, I don't foresee these burning out in the lifetime of owning this RV. And it looks better, it's updated, it's not this ugly yellow. In fact, I'm thinking about updating that one as well, but I don't know yet. I'm 50-50 on it. So, point of the matter is if you are wondering about updating the electrical light fixtures on your RV, it's ridiculously easy. It comes with the screws, the electrical connectors, and in my opinion, it's well worth the money because the light output's better. Incandescent draws a lot of battery, and LED, in my opinion, is one of the best upgrades you can do. And on top of it, if you can no longer find the plastic housing that goes on the original, like for my Sunraider, well, then you're kind of up a tree and it looks tacky. So I would definitely recommend these. I'll post a link in the YouTube. And like I said, it's very easy to hook these up. You have a positive and a negative in comparison literally with the black. Some of your RVs actually might be marked green. So just keep in mind with that. And double check your wiring, because you're not going to burn it out, but it's just not going to work and you're going to be frustrated. So make sure it's connected right. These have the twist style connectors that come with it. You can also do a crimp sort of setup, but very simple. And in my opinion, it's well worth it. And hopefully that gave you some insight on upgrading your actual LED light fixtures. It looks a lot better versus that one, in my opinion. And God, they're all just cracking and brittle and getting plastic in your food.
Sounds like you.
Hey, so thank you for watching, and more updated videos on coming out. I'll give you a little sample. Not gonna give a lot of sample, but brand new oven, brand new countertops, and it works very nicely. So I'm excited to show you that update from the before and after, and then I have another update that I did with, all right, air conditioner, I'm gonna talk, and That's about it. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye. It's me, Tuxalot.